Okay guys, I'm going to start out by measuring according to the piece of wood I have, only because I'm not that great with actual measurements, so it's easier for me to do it this way. And then after I measure, I'm going to go ahead and cut my pieces, as we can see on my handy little saw. And once I get that done, I have to go ahead and sand these pieces because I don't want any splinters. I've had that done before and that's not good. Now I am ready to make sure that they are squared off. So I'm using this L square. I don't even know what it's called. I'm calling it an L square. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue the pieces together with my Gorilla Hot Glue. And I'm using that to make sure that the pieces are nice and secured, because I am going to follow up with a brad nailer. So I'm going to use my handy dandy brad nail. I'm right here. I'm just making sure that it fits perfectly like I want it to. So I'm going to go ahead and put my brad nails in this template, or rather this box. And I actually like using my brad nailer. I probably could have used staples now that I'm looking at the video. At any rate, it worked out. So I've got two nice little boxes here that's going to hold my candles, and it's time to paint. So I'm using a silver metallic sort of paint to match the wire ribbon that I have. I'm using a paint from either Michaels or Walmart. I want to say Michaels, not real sure. At any rate, painting the inside of that, I probably should have primed it first, but no worries. I'll put a couple of coats on, it'll be fine. And here I go again with the turntables. I actually love to put things on turntables when I'm painting or doing any kind of project, because it makes it so much easier to be able to just turn the thing around as opposed to me trying to turn around to paint it in different areas. So right here, I'm going ahead and using my brad nailer to attach the wire ribbon onto the frame of the box. This wire ribbon was really a doozy to work with. I don't know if I'll use it again. I'm putting hot glue on it to sort of try to keep it down so that it will like be close to the box, but that didn't really work out. I'm using a piece of wood to sort of burnish it down, for lack of better words, I guess you could say, which actually worked out. That was a good idea that I had for a change. But this ribbon wire, you can easily cut yourself, so you have to be careful with it. So put more hot glue on this to try to keep it down to see if it's going to work. Metal and wood with glue, it's not probably the best idea, but hey, I'm doing the best that I can. And it's only for me, so I don't really mind that much. So putting more brad nails in the wire ribbon and just making sure that it looks good and that it lines up. I'm actually pretty happy with this so far. I can't say that I have any issues with it, other than putting the brad nail in the best spot. I think I probably should have used staples instead. So note to self: staples instead of brad nails. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and paint my little feet. I've got these feet from the Dollar Tree. They come in a little box of, not a box, but a bag of, 36 or something like that. They're really small. So I'm painting them now to put on the bottom of the candle holder / box that I created. And I've got to do, 8 of them, because I've got a set of 2, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and paint those, and after I paint those, I'm going to go ahead and attach them after they're dry. So I'm attaching those with wood glue, and there I go again with another turntable, and I had no idea that the light was going to be shining in this turntable. Guys, I am so sorry about that. I am looking at this, and I'm annoyed looking at it. At any rate, won't be making that mistake again. So I'm putting the feet on with my glue gun, using my Gorilla Glue, as you can see, and this thing is actually coming along pretty nicely. I'm actually liking what I'm seeing, so I'm pretty happy with it, I must say. So now I'm going to go ahead and touch up the little feet that are on here with some more paint, and overall it's looking pretty good to me. I'm pretty happy with it, I must say. it's amazing how things can sort of come together as you just kind of work on them. So, with that being said, I hope you like what you see, because voila, there is our final product. I actually like it sitting there. It's really pretty to me and it's different. So another thing you can actually do, I left a little extra space so that you can actually put some foliage or something in it for the holidays, like right here. I put in the foliage for the fall. So thank you guys for joining and watching this video, and I really appreciate it. Have a great one. Thanks.